Hello everyone and welcome to the Anderson Performance and Longevity Clinic. Right now you might be thinking, is TRT safe? What is it exactly? Why do people use it? Is it anything like steroids? It kind of gets thrown in the same category sometimes in the mainstream media. First things first, TRT is nothing like steroids. Seriously, nothing like steroids. The only commonality that they have is that they're both synthetic hormones that can be injected into the body, right? So they're injected into the body. Unlike the hormones that are produced inside your body, these ones are externally supplemented. But the actual uses vary completely. You see, on one hand, with steroids, the demographic of people who are using it intend on boosting up their levels to hypernormal amounts. The average testosterone level of a 25-year-old is around 600, whereas the average testosterone of let's say, a 40-year-old bodybuilder who is on steroids can range from 2,000 to 4,000, which is extremely hypernormal. We're talking anywhere from 200 to 1,000% boost. But you see, steroids are not used for medical reasons. It's used to enhance performance, and looks. For example, someone who is in a bodybuilding competition, they would be taking it to boost their performance, so they can lift heavier, so they can look better, and win competitions, boost up their brand, earn more money. It's for recreational purposes. Now, on the other hand, testosterone replacement therapy's purpose is to help men with low testosterone reach their normal amounts. For instance, you could have a 35-year-old guy who has a rather low level of testosterone, let's say 200. He could go on TRT and reach his normal amount of around 600 when he was 25. There are people out there who just have lower than normal rates, and there are genetic reasons, but also environmental and controllable reasons. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. I hope this was a clear and concise way for you to understand TRT and be able to differentiate from steroids, as it just gets commonly thrown under the bus. So make sure you're subscribed, smash the likes down below, tell me your thoughts. Do you have any questions? Are you still unsure about anything? Drop it down below. Hit the notification bell, that way you get notified whenever a new video comes out, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.